This is a Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record video on Mac with built-in camera. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Whether you trying to record a quick video call or just want to record a presentation, you'll need to know way around your computer's recording tools. If you're recording on Mac, there are various ways to record yourself. So in this video, I will show you how to record yourself, record video using built-in camera on your MacBook. It's very simple, so you can just use tools for the booth on your Mac. So you can go to Launchpad and you can see there is an option for the booth. You can just click on that. And in here, you can start recording. If you want just to take a picture, you can just click on here on the camera button. So MacBook will capture yourself. And if you want to record video, you can just switch the button from camera to video recording in here. Click in here. Now we can just click on the record button. And here you go. Now your MacBook is recording yourself. You can start talking in the camera in here. And after you finish recording yourself, you can just click on stop button. And you can see the result in here. And here you go. Now your MacBook is recording yourself. You can start. It's so cool, right? Talking in camera in here. And so that is how to record yourself on MacBook using the built-in camera. You can also use a filter on this feature in this photo booth apps on your MacBook. There's a couple features like FX. You can use FX. There's a Space Alien nostril that you can use here. If you want to make your picture or video more interesting, you can just use this FX. So that is how to recording yourself on MacBook using a built-in camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!